Hi guys, now we're going to make skinless longganisa. This is the recipe: minced meat, soy sauce, salt, paprika, pepper, and then we add some sugar, mix it, and then add some wait. Now we're going to add some garlic and then cornstarch, a little bit of water. Then you can put atsuete. Now we add some water, cornstarch. Sorry guys, the garlic I need to put it like one by one. It's a bit hard to squash it. Now let's mix it again. Mix all of it. This is a pork mincemeat, pork giniling. Just mix it. And then I add more garlic, the powder. It tastes nice, I think. Now it's ready too. Oh guys, I put it in the fridge for an hour before I wrap it. This is good for business. If you want to sell it, this is super yummy. Skinless longganisa. Next time I will make some sweet and spicy. Now I just put it all in wrap and then put it in the freezer for 1 to 2 months. Then ready to sell. You can sell it if you want. This is good for business too. Hope you like it. Try it. Thank you. I will add some recipe at the end. You can copy it. Thank you.